Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover in Camtasia. That is one of many interesting features in Camtasia you can try. And it is very useful when creating online tutorial like my video. Okay, so you see here we have a voice narration option right here. So if you want to record voiceover later after your screen recording, you can just click here at the voice narration. Okay, that is the first step. And the second step, you want to select the microphone. For example, here I have a Tronmax M1 Pro, which is my USB microphone, and I think the quality of the audio is very good. If you want to buy the same microphone, I will put the link in the description for you. It is on Amazon. Okay, so this is the first step. And the next step, you want to click here at the auto leveling option. So it will adjust your voiceover according to what you say into your microphone. So you want to turn it on and off, and after you turn it on, the program will try to find a level, an audio level. Okay, so I think it's fine. And after that, you have an option to mute the timeline during recording. And we have an area here where you can type or copy and paste your script. For example, here is a short script that I want to do for my screen recording. Okay, so let's try it now. Before doing that, we want to click here at the start voice recording. Okay, just click here. And now it is recording. By the way, I'm going to read the script right now. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record voiceover in Camtasia. This is one of many interesting features of Camtasia you can try. All right, so let's stop the recording. Okay, and it will ask you to save the recording in WAV sound file. So you want to select an area on your computer. Okay, so this is sound recording demo, and let's click save. And of course the sound recording is in your media. Okay, so this is in your media, and this is my media, and this is the sound recording. Okay, and let's listen to the sound recording. So this is at this corner. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in the timeline. No, this is at this corner. Okay, so this is the sound recording. Let's listen to it. Let's click here. And now it is recording. By the way, I'm going to read the script right now. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record voiceover in Camtasia. This is one of many interesting features of Camtasia you can try. All right, so let's stop the recording. It's nice, right? And this is your original voiceover. By the way, we have an auto normalized loudness right here. So if you turn this on, the program will try to adjust the audio level. If you turn it off, you see the original audio. Okay, something like this. So this is the original audio. And now it is recording. By the way, I'm going to read the script right now. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, so you want to increase the audio level, you can just do it right here also. Today I'm going to show you how to record voiceover in Camtasia. This is one of many. So that's nice, right? By the way, Camtasia has also many audio effects you can try. For example, here, the emphasize, fade in, fade out for your audio. And if your audio has noise, background noise or stuff like that, you can try this one, noise removal, and you can increase the speed of the audio and use the audio compression to balance the audio level, so we have the same level all the time. For example, we can drag and drop the audio compression here, and then we can increase it a little bit. And now let's listen to it. I'm going to read the script right now. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you. All right, so that's simple, right? So that is how to record voiceover in Camtasia. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.